This is absolutely wild. Oh, I just hit my head very bad. There's so much to explore here. Look at that. I love how colorful the city is, and I'm currently on the hunt for a new cup because you all know I cannot go anywhere without buying a cup. So I got a nice quiet spot here and just went to the supermarket and got some goodies. This will be my lunch. And I will enjoy the food and also just the ambience. You don't always need a nice sit-down meal or restaurant. You can just get some food in the next supermarket and have a nice little picnic. I mean, this might not be the most romantic spot that you can find, but it's peaceful enough. And I really enjoy it. And it's not too cold today. So, yeah, top tip.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, I got too much stuff at the supermarket and decided to come back to the room because I did not want to carry that around with me in the city. Am I the only one who's always getting super overexcited with foreign supermarkets? I could spend a lot of time in there, just checking out all the stuff that you cannot get at home and then buying stuff. So I got a couple of goodies and a couple of just things that might be helpful. I got some oat milk for my tea. I wanted to try those kind of, I think they're cinnamon roll cookies, at least they look like that. I have no idea, but I will try them. I got some chips. I think it's tortilla chips. Jalapeno and lime. Sounds really good. Then I got those. Those are soft cinnamon rolls and I like them a lot. I got some cheese rolls for dinner. And I got some cup noodles. This is, I think, cheese and broccoli. You just have to add hot water. So this is an easy and cheap dinner. And I got this potato snack, basically same. You just add hot water and then you have mashed potatoes with bacon and onion. And I think I got some Icelandic gummy bears. They're already open. I tried them on the way here. So yeah, it's my little shopping extravaganza that I did not want to carry around with me. So I will have a cup of tea now, and then I will go back. Just have to put everything back in the bag, and yeah, and then I will be out again. Also, so far I had no luck with the cup situation. I'm trying to find a cup doesn't matter. Each trip I need to buy a cup. They are just not nice, at least not what I saw. So wish me luck that I find a nice Iceland cup that I can add to my collection and can bring back home. So far I was not impressed. Not impressed at all.
Much later.
So I'm ready to go back out. I spontaneously just booked a ticket for the Perlan Museum, which is something like a very modern natural history museum. Everything I saw looked amazing. They have like a full-size ice cave you can walk through. They have a lava show. There's a lot of stuff that explain like the natural history of Iceland. I thought, why not? Let's do it. top of the museum, and you have an amazing view all over Reykjavik. And at the moment it's summer, so it's not getting dark, but I can imagine in winter you can see the northern lights from up here. And it's raining, of course. But even in the rain, it's amazing. It's so, so, so beautiful. And I'm currently the only one out here because it's raining. And it's quite late in the evening. So at the moment the museum is open till 10 p.m. And I got a ticket for 5 p.m. Planning to stay till the end because it's not getting dark. Lovely. And just for your information, the restaurant inside is closing at 6. So this is currently closed. But they have an ice cream place that I want to check out now. I absolutely loved this experience. They show you basically all the Icelandic elements. And you walk through an artificial glacier cave. They have a very cool northern light show in a planetarium that is included in here. And they also have a lava show. And they have this amazing towers at the top where you have a 360 view over the whole of Reykjavik. Where do I need to go? Oh, I think down there. Yeah, anyways, really cool. Also good decision to go there because it started raining this afternoon. Also the architecture, it's a really cool building. It's super cool building, I think very new. And yeah, a good place to just spend a couple of hours if you're in Reykjavik. Highly recommend. And I also just tasted the ice cream. Very good ice cream. Yeah, this is lovely here, but I think I am maybe lost again. Anyways, I'm going back now to my hostel and just chill for the rest of the night, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye.